Now, really, I don't think Sophie has one of the most important skills that any cadet needs.
What is that?
Self-control.
Ah.
Yeah. Now, these guys are very serious and dedicated individuals. And they never let fun things like sports or games or even parties to get in their way. Hey guys, where are you going?
Oh, we forgot something.
What?
Our self-control.
Well, don't worry, folks, because Brandy here can demonstrate self-control. So why don't you come on down here, Brandy? It's fun to us to do this. Come on, this way. This way. Here we go. Okay, first, I'm going to lay Brandy down on the deck, just like so. And then I'm going to place 4 very juicy fish right in front of her face. But Brandy can only eat these fish when I clap my hands one at a time. So the first fish. It's yours, Brandy. You can eat it. You don't like it? Okay, well. Why don't we start all over again? Picky eater. Okay, let's start that. You know the rules. Okay. Here we go. First fish. That's more like it. Yeah, all right. Very good, Brandy. Now the second fish. Excellent. Now the third fish. Listen very carefully, Brandy. Oh no. Oh, you think you can fool Brandy? Okay, you can try. I told you she is good. Alright, here we go, Brandy. Okay, now we've got 1 more fish to go and we are done. Okay, wait a minute here. Did you see her steal the last fish? Brandy, did you steal that last fish? Come on, Brandy. You know what happens to bad sea lions, right? No, I have to ask kidding. She's just kidding. In fact, we're going to give Brandy here 1 more chance, okay? Why don't we get back onto the seat here, Brandy? That's it. Over here. Now this time, I'm going to make it a little bit more difficult. This time, I'm going to place the fish right on top of her nose, where she can smell it, but she can only eat it when I clap my hands. Okay, listen carefully, Brandy.